Hi, I'm Wally Wells with MarineMax Lake Texoma. We're out here on Texoma by the islands, and we're on this beautiful 2019 Boston Whaler 350 round. Has triple 350 Verado engines on the back for a total of 1,050 horsepower. And if you want to fish from this boat, you can. It's a Boston Whaler. You've got rod holders over there. You got a live well over here. Nice big casting deck back here. But it's also about entertaining. This boat has an electric grill, the sure shade overhead. You have an ice chest in here. The seat that's reversible can face forward or aft. In the cockpit, you have air conditioning vents up here at the helm. The captain's seat rotates, so you can swing it all the way around and face aft if you need to. The boat's equipped with a joystick and has skyhook. Your displays are here showing instruments, radar, chart plotter. It's all there. This boat's also equipped with active trim and a gyro stabilizer. Up forward, the boat's well equipped for seating 3 people with a nice table up here. You can actually get 5 or 6 people in this area. And down below, the boat is equipped with a seating area that converts to a berth, flat screen TV, a full head area, control panel here. Once again, this is the Boston Whaler 350 round at Lake Texoma. My name's Wally Wells. We'd like to see you. Come see the boat or give us a call.